Hi everyone, this is Daria, I'm the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I will recreate iconic makeup look of James Charles Eclipse eye look. And I will be the first artist who will paint this amazing design on clothes because I think that this design deserves to become wearable. And I will paint it on this button-up shirt because I think it will look amazing on the shirt. And I will make everything according to makeup tutorials. I will blend, I will contour, I will add the highlights. Are you ready? Let's begin! So first of all, I will create Eclipse. I will paint sun with black fabric paint. I will paint it on the place of the heart, not an anatomical place of course, but an artistic place of the heart. And I think it will be very meaningful this way. And now I will create galaxy. I will use this big flat brush, let's call it blending brush, and I will use blue, purple, gray, white, black colors to create perfect galaxy. This design is easy and you can create it too, and also I have a DIY video where I painted galaxy on jeans, check it out if you haven't watched it yet. And now I'll paint the sunlights. I will use red, yellow, orange colors for them. And now let's paint sun more detailed and the sunshine. Now I will splatter paint to create stars, and also I will paint a couple of the most shining stars. Same way I will paint galaxy on the back of the shirt. And painting is finished. So here it is. Write me your thoughts about this shot in the comments below and put a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more hand painting clothing videos. And see you in the next video. Fashion with art. Bye bye.